Hello viewers, welcome to Bondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Chandraman Shohag with you in this video. Now I am showing you how to make spotlight with photo control connection wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. TP MCB circuit breaker, FP MCB circuit breaker, sensor, contactor, spotlight 1, spotlight 2. Spotlight 3. First phase connection, second phase connection, third phase connection, neutral connection. Phase connection input to TP MCB, second phase connection input to TP MCB, third phase connection input to TP MCB, output connection from TP MCB to connect FP MCB, second phase connection output from TP MCB to connect FP MCB, first phase connection output from TP MCB to connect FP MCB, neutral connection input to FP MCB, output connection from FP MCB to connect sensor and contactor, second phase connection from FP MCB to connect contactor, first phase connection from FP MCB to connect contactor, neutral connection input to contactor and sensor, output connection from contactor to connect sensor, another neutral connection input to spotlight 1, 2 and 3, phase connection output from contactor to connect spotlight 3, another phase connection from contactor to spotlight 2, and again another phase connection from contactor to connect spotlight 1. Earthing connection input to all spotlight. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.